Hey guys, welcome back to another awesome Roblox video. If you play Dress to Impress and want to get free outfits, stylish accessories, exclusive makeup, and amazing fashion items, then today's video is exactly what you need. In this video, I'll be showing you all the newest and fully working Dress to Impress codes for the latest Culture Update 2026. These codes can unlock awesome rewards completely free, so make sure you watch until the end and don't miss any of them. Some of these codes may expire soon, so redeem them as quickly as possible before they're gone. I've gathered all the latest active codes to help you get the best free rewards available right now. Before we begin, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future Roblox codes, updates, and free reward videos. VIP giveaway. I'm also giving away VIP access to 10 lucky subscribers. If you want a chance to win, simply comment your Roblox username below. There is no recharge, payment, purchase, or Robux required to participate. Just comment your username and you'll be entered into the giveaway. VIP gives you exclusive clothing, special hairstyles, unique makeup options, and access to a private VIP dressing room. Good luck to everyone! Now, let's check out all the latest Dress to Impress Culture Update codes for 2026.